We're here in Farnborough at Southern Manufacturing, and I'm delighted to be here with Eric Dugard from Dugard CNC. We've got some interesting things to tell you about. Eric, tell me a little bit about why you have chosen to come to Southern this year.
Well, being based in Brighton, it made sense to do a show in the south. We've got so many customers down this area that we felt it was important to be here and meet as many people as we can.
Yeah, and you've got, what's really nice is you're showing the Zopo machine here. You carry other brands too, but this is the one we're going to focus on today. But tell me about what you do in total.
Well, I mean, this is quite a modest stand because it's a short show. We thought we'd just bring one machine along and use it more as a meeting host, really. We've got other very important brands like SMEC. They do a full range of turning and milling machines. Obviously, Hanwha sliding head machines are very successful for us. But this is the UK premiere for Zopo at an exhibition.
So this is a totally new thing into the UK in terms of this is the first time it's going to be seen.
Well, we sold a number last year, back in 25, so it's not new to the UK, but it is the first time it's been exhibited.
So people can get a look. Tell me what's inside the machine, because I think that's what's the exciting bit.
Yeah, I think it's important for customers to actually get to see and touch the machine. It's a machine that's built in China, but in fact most of the components are imported from Taiwan. The spindle, the linear slides, the ball screws, the tool changer are all Taiwanese, and of course the control is Siemens, but we've got the option of FANUC and Heidenhain, so we can meet most customers' requirements.
That offers great flexibility for other people that are using the different systems, so you can just go straight into a system that they're already knowledgeable about.
Yeah, no, it matches their needs in the factory. If they use it, well, their operators are used to a certain control. We don't have to retrain them and all the other options that go along with it. The other nice thing is that they do a very big range. The smallest machine's only 600mm X travel, but at the moment we're quoting machines up to 12 metres in length. So that's huge possibilities there.
And you've got there's a lot of volume coming through. And what was interesting, you were saying earlier that you've got a lot of stock and that you're able to respond quickly to people's demands.
Yeah, it's true. Yeah, that's for all of our brands. We've got stock of SMEC machines, Hanwha, and of course now Zopo.